to cash in Coins.Ph without any fees using Gcash. Usually when we cash into Coins.Ph, we are deducted with fees, and today I'm going to show you how to cash in without any fees using Gcash app. Let's open our Gcash app. By the way, if you don't have Gcash account yet, just check the description below to sign up. As you can see, I have balance of 237.52 pesos in my Gcash. To cash into Gcash, just click the cash in button and you will see the available options. Usually, I cash in at 7-Eleven and my cash in per transaction is maximum of 4,000 pesos to avoid fees. Moving forward, let's check my balance in Coins.Ph. My current balance in Coins.Ph is 0.35 pesos. What I'm going to do now is to transfer an amount of 200 pesos from Gcash to Coins.Ph. So let's get back to Gcash. So to transfer funds to Coins.Ph, you will need to select the bank transfer button. Then select the view all. After that, search and select the Coins.Ph DC Pay. Let's input the amount we want to transfer. The account name is your registered name in Coins.Ph. Then the account number is your registered mobile number in Coins.Ph. So those are only the necessary field, and now let's click the send money. Then confirm. So upon confirmation, it was already transferred to your Coins.Ph. Let's go and check our balance. And that's it. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tutorial.